Switching to eco-friendly habits isn't just good for the planet, it can actually save you money. Let's explore 8 eco-friendly swaps that reduce waste and lower costs. Cloth towels over paper towels. Reusable. Cloth towels can last for years, saving you hundreds of dollars. 2. Refillable cleaning products. Switch to concentrate-based cleaners and reusable spray bottles to cut down on single-use plastic and costs. 3. Reusable water bottles. Ditch bottled water. Invest in a good reusable bottle to save money and reduce plastic waste. 4. LED bulbs over incandescents. LED bulbs last longer and use significantly less energy, cutting electricity costs. 5. Buy second-hand from clothes to furniture. Buying pre-loved items saves money and reduces demand for new resources. 6. DIY skincare products. Make scrubs, masks, and moisturizers at home using simple, natural ingredients like sugar, coconut oil, and honey. 7. Rechargeable batteries. Invest in rechargeable batteries to save money and avoid single-use waste. 8. Energy-efficient appliances. Upgrade to energy-efficient appliances to lower utility bills while using less energy. Which of these swaps will you try first? Let us know in the comments and share your own eco-friendly money-saving hacks.